Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here with Green. Today we're diving into a topic that might surprise you. It's about a fruit that almost everyone loves and consumes regularly, yet many of us might be eating it all wrong. Yes, I'm talking about the humble banana. This fruit is a staple in many households around the world, but did you know that the way you eat it can significantly impact your health? Stick around as we uncover some common mistakes and how to avoid them. Today we're talking about a fruit that's as common as it is misunderstood, the banana. Bananas are incredibly versatile and can be found in almost every kitchen. They're easy to grab on the go and they make for a quick, nutritious snack. But there's more to this yellow fruit than meets the eye. You grab one for breakfast, a snack, maybe even blend it into a smoothie. Bananas are often the go-to fruit for many of us because they're convenient and packed with essential nutrients like potassium, vitamin C, and dietary fiber. They can be enjoyed in so many different ways, whether it's in your cereal, as a topping for your yogurt, or even in baked goods like banana bread. But what if I told you that many people unknowingly make serious mistakes when consuming bananas? These mistakes might seem trivial, but they can have a significant impact on your health. For instance, eating bananas at the wrong time of day or combining them with certain foods can lead to digestive issues and even affect your energy levels. Mistakes that can negatively impact their health, digestion, and energy levels. Some people might experience bloating, stomach aches, or even feel lethargic after eating bananas. It's crucial to understand how to consume this fruit properly to reap its full benefits without any adverse effects. That's right, there's a right way and a wrong way to eat a banana. For example, did you know that the ripeness of a banana can affect its nutritional value and how your body digests it? Eating a banana that's too ripe or not ripe enough can make a big difference in how you feel afterward. And in this video, we're diving deep into the common banana blunders people make and how to avoid them. We'll cover everything from the best time to eat a banana to the ideal ripeness for optimal nutrition. Plus, we'll share some tips on how to incorporate bananas into your diet in a way that's both delicious and beneficial for your health. We'll explore the best time to eat a banana, the ideal ripeness for optimal nutrition, and the surprising benefits of green bananas. Green bananas, for instance, are rich in resistant starch, which can help with weight management and blood sugar control. On the other hand, fully ripe bananas are easier to digest and provide a quick energy boost. And make sure you stay tuned till the end for a shocking revelation that could completely change your perception of bananas and their health benefits. You might be surprised to learn how this simple fruit can have such a profound impact on your well-being. You won't want to miss it. So let's get started and uncover the secrets to eating bananas the right way. Your health and taste buds will thank you. So, you're reaching for a banana. Great choice. Bananas are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients like potassium, vitamin C, and dietary fiber. They are a convenient and healthy snack that can be enjoyed at any time of the day. But have you ever wondered if there's an optimal time to eat a banana to maximize its benefits? But hold on a second. Did you know that the timing of your banana consumption can actually impact how your body digests it and utilizes its energy? Yes, the time of day you choose to eat a banana can make a significant difference in how you feel afterward. Let's dive into the details. You see, bananas are relatively easy to digest, but eating them at the wrong time can lead to feelings of sluggishness and digestive discomfort. For instance, if you eat a banana on an empty stomach first thing in the morning, the high natural sugar content can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels, followed by a crash, leaving you feeling tired and lethargic. Think about it. You want your body to be primed and ready to process the nutrients in your banana. Eating a banana when your body is in an active state, such as before or after a workout, can help you make the most of its energy-boosting properties. The natural sugars in bananas provide a quick source of energy, while the potassium helps prevent muscle cramps and supports muscle recovery. The worst time to eat a banana? Right before bed. While it might seem like a good idea to have a healthy snack before sleeping, bananas can actually disrupt your sleep if consumed too close to bedtime. While bananas contain tryptophan, which can aid sleep, eating one right before bed can actually backfire. The high natural sugar content can lead to a spike in energy, making it harder to fall asleep. Additionally, the fiber in bananas can cause digestive issues if you lie down immediately after eating. The high natural sugar content can lead to a spike in energy, making it harder to fall asleep. This sudden burst of energy can keep you awake and restless, defeating the purpose of having a relaxing bedtime snack. Plus, lying down after eating any food can slow down digestion, leading to discomfort and potentially disrupting your sleep. This is especially true for bananas, as their fiber content can cause bloating and gas if not properly digested. Instead, opt for a banana as a pre-workout snack, or enjoy one mid-morning or afternoon for a sustained energy boost. Eating a banana during these times can help stabilize your blood sugar levels and provide a steady release of energy, keeping you alert and focused throughout the day. Your body will thank you for it. By choosing the right time to eat a banana, you can enhance its benefits and avoid any potential drawbacks. So next time you reach for this nutritious fruit, remember to consider the timing and enjoy all the goodness it has to offer. We've all been there, staring at a bunch of bananas at the grocery store, trying to decipher the perfect one. Should you go for the bright yellow ones, the ones with a few brown spots, or the green ones? Well, the ripeness of your banana plays a crucial role in its nutritional content and taste. As bananas ripen, their starch content converts into sugar, making them sweeter and easier to digest. Green bananas, on the other hand, are higher in resistant starch, a type of fiber that our bodies digest slowly. While resistant starch has its benefits, like promoting gut health, eating too many green bananas can lead to bloating and gas. The sweet spot? Choose bananas that are mostly yellow with a few brown spots. They offer a good balance of sweetness, digestibility, and nutrients. Chapter 3. Green bananas. Friend or foe? Now let's talk more about those green bananas. While they might not be as appealing as their ripe counterparts, they pack a nutritional punch that shouldn't be ignored. Green bananas are a fantastic source of resistant starch, a type of fiber that acts like a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for digestion, immunity, and even mental health. But here's the catch: too much resistant starch can be tough on your digestive system, especially if you're not used to it. So, if you're new to the world of green bananas, start slow. Try incorporating a small amount into your diet, like half a green banana in a smoothie, and gradually increase your intake as your body adjusts. Chapter 4. Don't forget to wash. The importance of clean banana peels. Okay, this next one might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people skip this crucial step. Washing fruits and vegetables is a common practice, but when it comes to bananas, many people think it's unnecessary. They assume that because they don't eat the peel, there's no need to wash it. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. Washing your banana peels is just as important as washing any other fruit or vegetable. The peel acts as a barrier, but it can also harbor harmful substances that you definitely don't want to ingest. Think about it. Bananas travel a long way from the farm to your grocery store, coming into contact with dirt, bacteria, and even pesticides along the way. During this journey, the peels can pick up all sorts of contaminants. These contaminants can include harmful bacteria like E. coli or Salmonella, which can cause serious illness. And while you don't eat the peel itself, these contaminants can easily transfer to your hands and then to the fruit when you peel it. Imagine peeling a banana and then touching the fruit with the same hands that just handled the dirty peel. It's an easy way for germs to spread, so before you enjoy that banana, give it a quick rinse under running water. It doesn't take much time, but it can make a big difference in terms of cleanliness and safety. Just hold the banana under the faucet and let the water run over it for a few seconds. Gently rub the peel to remove any visible dirt or debris. You don't need to use soap or any special cleaning agents. Plain water will do the trick. The goal is to remove any surface contaminants that could be transferred to the fruit inside. This simple step can go a long way in preventing the spread of germs and ensuring that you're enjoying a safe and healthy snack. By taking a moment to wash your banana peels, you're not only protecting yourself, but also promoting better hygiene practices overall. So next time you reach for a banana, remember, a quick rinse can make all the difference. Chapter 5. The shocking truth about bananas and potassium. And now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, the shocking revelation about bananas. We've all heard that bananas are a great source of potassium, right? And while that's true, the amount of potassium in a banana might not be as impressive as you think. Don't get me wrong, potassium is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure, muscle function, and nerve signals. But when it comes to potassium-rich foods, bananas are actually middle of the road. There are plenty of other fruits and vegetables that pack a bigger potassium punch, like avocados, sweet potatoes, and even watermelon. So, while bananas can contribute to your daily potassium intake, It's important to diversify your diet and include a variety of potassium-rich foods. Outro Banana Wisdom Unlocked. So there you have it, folks. The truth about bananas, from the best time to eat them to the importance of washing those peels. Remember, it's all about making informed choices to maximize the nutritional benefits of this versatile fruit. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. We love empowering you to take control of your health and well-being. Comment below if you have any questions or if there are other topics you'd like us to cover. Until next time, stay healthy and keep learning.